Hey guys, it's Brad here at MyWay. I haven't been doing any videos lately, been busy doing a lot of things, but I have been working on a few things, and so I thought I'd let you in on what I've been doing. Show you what I've been doing. I've been working on the 81 Camaro, and I'm making some progress. I'm slow, I'm not a professional, and I'm slow. But I'll show you what I'm working on. Okay, so I had the windows and everything out because of several reasons. I had some rust beginning in the window channel, and so I stripped all that to bare metal, trying to maintain the paint right now on the other and just repainting only the window frame. I realize that's not great. One day I'll have to repaint the whole car. But right now, this is what I'm doing. So anyway, I had a broken trunk torsion rod, I guess you call them. So even with just one still good, that would not hold the trunk lid up. So if your trunk lid don't stay up, you know you have a broken torsion rod. So the only way to get at this guy is if you have the back window out. So obviously perfect timing. And I had a bit of other messy stuff going on because this is a color change car. And so they didn't necessarily do a great job with well, they hadn't done anything underneath of the rear valance there, which obviously would be tough for them to do anything there. But anyway, so that was still the original burgundy and with some nice overspray on it that wasn't sticking and flaking and grossness going on everywhere there. So anyway, I got at it all, and these cars, I don't know, things are not perfect, like, you know, they never were. And so I'm not going to make it perfect, not this time around. If I do a complete restoration on this car, then I might do that. But as you see here, I have a fairly decent 81 Z28 as far as they go. I don't know. I had the motor and trans and everything out and did a lot of cleanup under the hood and that. And I've done electric fan conversion there, and you can see I've got the windshield out. Same reasons. I had a little bit of you can see my serial plate here is even a little rusty, but there was some water coming down this way, and actually there was some dripping. I don't know how that was getting there, but there was moisture getting in the front part of the dash here. As you can see, there's no rust or any physical damage like that. The car's actually in really good shape, but well, it had a floor pan. I already did the driver's floor pan on this car. I've got a carpet in there right now. I don't think you'll even see it, but I have my carpet in there now. But anyway, so I'm working away at just trying to get the body back to reasonable and drivable. I'm not going to get carried away with having a showroom paint job or anything like that. As you can see, I've got the rear spoiler off of here right now. It's not just a plain Camaro, it is a Z28, but the spoiler, well, the spoiler is part of the trunk, obviously, this portion, and then the side pieces are in the trunk because there was a couple issues that I wanted to deal with there. Anyway, this is what we're doing on the Camaro. So we're trying to get the both of the window jambs finished. As you can see, I've got that all nice down to bare metal. I've got a little bit of sanding to do, very little, and then complete sanding my dash, the cowl, and I'll be putting some paint on that. Trying to do some research and make sure I get the right paint on that. I want the same sheen on the dash. I don't know, that's like, doesn't seem to be a flat to me, seems to be maybe more like a matte finish or something. I don't know, maybe somebody out there's got a clue on that, but yeah, as you can see, there's some body work that I've done there on the door, and I'll have to wet sand that primer out. And I've got some damage, some rust at the back quarter panel to repair. And other than that, right now, that's gonna pretty much be it. The nose cone is pretty rough shape on this car, and I don't know if you can see the cracking and stuff that's down here already, but I did some work on this and just did a cheesy spray job and everything on it. But oops, just trying to give you a little view here. Got the car pushed up close on the front, some other junk here, so it doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look terrible. The front spoiler and everything is complete. It doesn't have deckling down there on the front of the spoiler, but it's all pretty straight and complete, which is kind of, you know, that's something for one of these old cars. I think the odometer reads 117,000 kilometers, so not bad. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, may as well hit that button. Eventually I'll get to making some decent videos, showing you guys what I'm doing and that kind of thing when I feel confident. I don't know. I've never been good in front of a camera, but working on all that. So thanks for watching. Talk to you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.